In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make presentation using Gamma I. First, open the Gamma website and sign up or log in. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create New. This is your starting point and takes you straight to the creation flow so you can get from idea to slides quickly. You'll be asked how you want to start. You can generate with AI, start from a blank canvas, or use a template. For most projects, choose Generate with AI. It's the fastest way to move from a topic to a polished deck, and you can still customize everything afterward. Next, enter your topic. Type a clear prompt such as marketing strategy for small business or social media tips for beginners. Then click Generate. Try to include the audience, goal, or tone in your wording if you know it. Gamma will automatically create slides with structured sections, headlines, and supporting points that give you a solid first draft. Now review and edit your slides. Click any slide to change text, tighten phrasing, or add examples. If a section feels redundant, remove it. If something's missing, add it. You can also rearrange slides by dragging them so the story flows from problem to solution and ends with a clear takeaway. Customize the design to match your style. Switch the theme or overall style, then adjust colors and fonts for brand consistency. Add images, icons, or videos to make ideas visual. Keep contrast high for readability and limit yourself to a simple color palette so your content stands out. Gamma's layouts help keep everything looking clean and modern without much effort. If you need more material, click plus add card to insert new text, images, videos, charts, or embeds like links and websites. Use charts for data you want to compare at a glance, and embeds when you want viewers to interact with live content outside the deck. To refine your wording, highlight any text and open the AI options. Choose Rewrite to improve tone and clarity, expand to add depth to a point, or simplify to make complex ideas easier to understand. Iterate until each slide communicates one clear message. When you're ready, click Present to enter slideshow mode and check pacing and readability. Or click Share to send a link or invite collaborators so teammates can review and edit with you in real time. Finally, export your presentation as a PDF or a PowerPoint file if you need to present offline or use another tool.